Three gypsies came to our hall door, and all but they sang a bonny o. They sang so sweet and too complete that they stole the heart of our lady o. For she come tripping down the stairs, her maidens to be for her o. And when they saw her weel fair face, they throwed their spell out o'er her o. When her good Lord came home that night, he was asking for his lady o. The answers of servants gave to him, she's a woe with the gypsy laddies o. Gie saddle to me, my bonny, bonny black, my brunettes ne'er sae speedy o, that I may go riding this long summer day in search of my true lady o. For it's he rode east and he rode west, and he rode through Strathbogie o. And there he made a gay old man that was coming through Strathbogie o. For it's dead you come east, or dead you come west, or dead you come through Strathbogie o. Or dead ye see a gay lady, she was falling three gypsy laddies o. For it's I've come east and I've come west, and I've come through Strathbogie o. And the bonniest lady that e'er I saw, she was falling three gypsy laddies o. For the very last night that I crossed this river, I had dukes and lords to attend me o. But this night I must put and my warm feet wide, and the gypsies widen before me o. Last night I lay in a good feather bed, my own wedded Lord beside me o. But this night I must lie in a Calcorn barn, and the gypsies lying around me o. For it's well you give up your houses and your lands, and will you give up your baby o, and will you give up your own wedded Lord, and keep following the gypsy gypsy laddies, for it's I'll give up my houses and my lands, and I'll give up my baby, oh, and I'll give up my own wedded lord, and keep following the gypsy laddies, oh. They are 7 brothers of us all. We all are wondrous bonny, oh. And this very night we all shall be hanged